Congratulations. This is Nikki. Great job on getting the poop pop quiz. You're here. But wait. Are you a speaker? Because I have put together a free training just for speakers like you that are struggling to get sales from speaking by talking about, you guessed it, poop. But it's not just about poop. It's about the energy and the vibrancy that you have on stage and in sales calls. If you are not digesting properly, if you're not feeling amazing in your gut, then you can feel it. You're not fully present. You're not making the income that you want. So I've put together a 60-minute masterclass called the Healthy, Wealthy Speakers Masterclass, and I want to personally invite you. There's a link down below. We are going to go deep into getting some real results on how you can feel amazing within your gut and make more money because of it. So I will see you there. Sign up below and let's make it happen.